Yes, so you got to come to Park Güell. It's amazing. It's unique. It's one of the coolest spots in the world. It's like one of those random things like the Biltmore Estate in America.
Hello everyone, we came today to Park Güell. It is very beautiful, very big, and we want to see more stuff. This is our last day, and tomorrow we will leave to France. Look at this, there is a nest in the park. Now I want to show you house Antoni Gaudi. Look like this. He was living here about 20 years. Very smart. If you sit inside, people just cannot see you. You see? Cool, right? Honey,
Yes.
tell me please, how do you like Park Güell?
It's so, oh God.
So good. you know, you like it. Like, it's huge area, very massive, right? Very interesting house. Very
Yes, so you got to come to Park Güell. It's amazing. It's unique. It's one of the coolest spots in the world. It's like one of those random things like the Biltmore Estate in America, or some of the other amazing random places you go see, where someone who had a vision to build something very different and manifested it. And very few places in the world, I mean, you kind of know them all, right? There's a few places throughout California where some really wealthy people built some amazing things. And here's one of those places that someone really pushed the boundaries, that you get to go see what's possible. So one person, one vision, manifesting something that millions and millions of people enjoy because they went after it. They took the chance, they did the shot, and they made something different because that was their vision and what their passion was. So that's Park Güell.
Yes, and what was shocked for us, that this guy, Antoni Guell,
Yes.
he died after train hit.
Yeah, the train hits the poor guy, and the same people that loved him for what he built basically left him in the street for hours and hours, thinking he was homeless, destitute, and broke. Finally, they threw him to a place like a hospital for the broke, the people that couldn't afford any treatment. They didn't even try to help him, and it was too late by the time they actually found him. Crazy, right?
Is so sad.
The same city that loved his work, they treated him like shit at the end.
We should always carry passport or any ID with us.
Look rich always. Look rich always.
Look rich with
You're
documents.
treated better.
Never leave your documents at the hotel.
Over there?
Hi, birdies.